The other YouTubers are gonna hate me for this, but I think it's time you knew the truth. Okay, it's time for some real talk. There is so much mystery about how much YouTubers actually earn. I mean, there are people with millions of subscribers who claim to barely being able to pay rent. And then there are other people who have just a few thousand subscribers who seem to be making a full-time living as a creator. And if you look on Social Blade, well, you're probably still gonna have a few questions. Let's just put it that way. I used to be so confused about how much you could earn with a YouTube channel, but now, finally, I am a YouTuber, so I know exactly how much they earn. And I want to tell you all about it. So come here and let's take a look at my creator dashboard. Okay, so first let's just head on into my analytics and take a look at some of these numbers. So what I'm gonna do is show you how much I've earned in the entire year of 2020. So I'm just gonna change this date range to be the last 365 days. Now, as I'm recording this, it's only about the middle of December or so, so this is gonna include a tiny, tiny bit of the previous year, but it's going to be the entire last year. So in this last year, I earned a total of $76,708.30 in ad revenue. So this isn't all the money I earned as a creator, more on that in a little bit, but this is how much I've earned from ads. So first of all, just let me know in the comments, is that more or less than you would have thought a creator with my size of channel would be earning from their ads alone? I mean, personally, this is actually way more than I was ever expecting to earn from my YouTube videos. I mean, I was making videos for a lot of other reasons, and I was hoping to make some money, but I wasn't expecting to make a full-time living just from the ads. So I'm gonna click on this estimated revenue so we can see exactly how much I earned for each day of the year. And as you can see, most days it's around like $300, $400, $200. Most days I'd say it's around 200, but it definitely gets up to 300 on a pretty regular basis. Here's the $300 mark, here's the $150 mark. So the day I earned the most, I earned $422, so definitely must have had some videos going viral there. The day I earned the least, it looks like it might have been this day here, $133. And most of this money, it wasn't because I made a video on that day, it's because of videos I made in the past that people continued to watch. This is one of the coolest things about YouTube is even though, yes, you do need to do work to make your videos, obviously, and running a YouTube channel is a lot of work, it also does create passive income as well. Because once you make a video, it's going to continue to live on YouTube. People will continue to watch it for years and you'll continue to get paid. So let's just do some quick math and see how much I was earning on average per month from YouTube. So if we divide this 76,708 by 12. Basically, YouTube was paying me $6,400 per month for making 4 videos. And like I said, it wasn't for the videos I made that month, but that was the amount of work I was doing, making 4 videos per month, and I was earning over $6,000. That's crazy. Now let's dig just a little bit deeper here and see which videos earned me the most and how evenly this money was earned by all the videos I made, or if there were just a few videos that made most of the money. And so here are the videos and how many views they got and all, and we're going to be looking at revenue, and it looks like it's already sorted by revenue. So the video that earned me the most was this video right here called How to Self-Publish Your First Book. You can see that little thumbnail screenshot of it right there. And so that one video paid me almost $7,000. This is a video I made a few years ago now. It says October 31st, 2017. So over 3 years ago, I made this video. It wasn't a very hard video to make. I just talked to the camera in it. But just this year alone, it's earned me almost $7,000. Let's see how much this video has earned since I first made it. So we're gonna look at the analytics for this video alone, and we're gonna change this date range here to all time, well, since published. Okay, so this one video has earned me almost $12,000. I mean, this is a video that took me just literally a couple hours to make. $12,000. That is crazy. Okay, so let's go back and take a look at the other videos that have earned me a substantial amount of money this year. Okay, so the next one I'm seeing is how to write a business plan. This one earned me almost 6,000. And then how to start an online business earned me 4,600. So there are quite a few here that earned about $4,000, a few that earned, well, one that earned 3,000, and then a few that earned 2,000. So how many videos is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So like the top 10 videos earned by far, you know, the bulk of the money. And then after that here, we've got another like 10 or 20 that earn around $1,000 each. So still like very, very well worth it. And then of course we do have a lot of videos down here at the bottom, and it says here showing top 50 results, but I normally publish one video per week. So this is going to be pretty much all the videos that I made in this last year, keeping in mind that some of these videos I made in a previous year. But this is about the number of videos I made. So we've got some videos here on the bottom that only earned $200 or $300 each. Honestly, in my opinion, still worth it. At that point, it's paying me well for my time that I took to make the video. And at the same time, these videos are getting more subscribers to my channel because people are finding them and watching them and subscribing. So then they watch other videos of mine. So then I make more money from the fact that that person subscribed. So overall, I would say that making videos, it's very much worth your time. It does pay pretty well. And yes, this is now at the point where my channel has grown to most of 500,000 subscribers, which is crazy. You know, my channel, it earned a pretty substantial amount of money, even when I had just had it for a few years, even like just the second year. Let's go back and look at like year 2018, which was the first full year that I was on YouTube. So in that first year, it's showing right here that I earned $43,630, and I got, you know, over 137,000 subscribers that year. So even when I was just starting out, you know, things started growing and I started getting views on my videos, because here's the truth, you don't have to have a lot of subscribers on your channel to get the views. Even when you're very first starting out and you publish your first videos, they can start to get picked up in the algorithm. People can find them in search. If people are clicking on them and watching them, YouTube will start suggesting them in the suggested videos, and you can start earning from them really quickly. I hope you found it really interesting to see behind the curtain and learn how much YouTubers can actually earn. But before you go, there is something important we need to talk about. And that is that not all YouTubers earn the same amount. See, different YouTubers make videos on different topics, right? And different advertisers want to advertise on videos about different topics. And different advertisers are willing to pay very much different amounts for those ads and for the clicks that they get on those ads. So for example, let's say there's a car company advertising on YouTube, which there are. And on the other hand, there are makeup companies advertising on YouTube. A new customer for a car company is worth a lot more, potentially, than a new customer for a makeup brand. And so if someone clicks on an ad about a car, then that car brand is quite possibly willing to pay several dollars, maybe even $20, $30, maybe even $100 for that one click, because that is a lead that they are getting. On the other hand, if someone clicks on an ad that's about mascara, well, mascara only sells for $7, $8, $9. And so the makeup brand isn't going to be willing to pay more than just a couple dollars at most for that click. So depending on the topic that you make your videos about, you're going to have different ads running on them, and you're going to earn very different amounts of money for every click that you get on those ads. So what that means is that YouTubers who talk about different topics make different amounts of money. But that's not the only reason why different YouTubers make different amounts of money, because there's also the fact of the matter that different niches have different amounts of popularity. So it's easier to get views in some niches than it is in others. And obviously, if you're getting more views, then most of the time you're going to get more clicks on your ads, and you'll make more for that reason as well. So there's just a lot of different factors at play, and so you can't look at just one YouTuber's income report like mine and then apply that to everyone else and say, okay, well, Gillian gets 500,000 views per month on her channel, so this other YouTuber that I see that's getting 2 million views on their channel, they must be making 4 times as much as Gillian. It just doesn't work that way. For example, entertainment and comedy niches, they make way less because they have a much broader topic. And so their audiences aren't nearly as targeted. There are lots of different kinds of people who enjoy their content. So the leads that any brand might get from their videos, they're not necessarily going to be as valuable. And YouTube has to put a lot more different kinds of ads on those videos in order to get the clicks. Whereas if you're watching videos about a really specific topic, like maybe you're watching a gamer play a specific game, or you're watching a beauty YouTuber, or you're watching someone who makes YouTube videos about fixing tractors, anything that's more specific, then there's going to be a higher chance that that YouTuber can earn more because it will be easier for YouTube to get them clicks on their videos because YouTube knows what types of ads to display on those videos. And then finally, as you're probably aware, most YouTubers, at least YouTubers who are doing this as their full-time job, they earn more money than just the money that they earn from ads. They might do things like affiliate marketing, they might have swag that they sell on their channel, they might have physical products or digital products that they sell in a business they own, and their YouTube is part of their marketing or their advertising for their business. So most YouTubers have multiple streams of income. I've made a few videos in the past about what my different streams of income for, and I also just released a new podcast episode that breaks down my entire yearly income report for 2020. So if you're curious about how much money I made in total, my total revenue for 2020, and exactly what the different sources of that income were, then check the description down below and give that podcast a listen. Also, before you go, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video. My YouTube channel is getting so close to hitting 500,000 subscribers, and that is just incredible. I honestly never thought I would get anywhere near that mark, so thank you just from the bottom of my heart for watching this video, for subscribing. And if you happen to not be subscribed, then make sure that you do subscribe, both because that would mean a lot to me, but also because I'm going to be doing a giveaway when I get to 500,000 subscribers, and the main thing that you need to do to enter that giveaway is be subscribed. I'll share more details about the giveaway and exactly what you need to do to enter in a post that I will share on the YouTube community, so it'll just show up in your regular feed on YouTube if you are subscribed to the channel. Alright, well that is everything for this video, but before you go, if you happen to be a YouTuber yourself and you're currently getting less than 1,000 views per video, then check the description below for a link to a free workshop that you can watch all about increasing the views that you get on your channel, even if you don't have very many subscribers yet. All right, well that is everything. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.